bienvenidos a mi canal. For those of you that are new, hola, mi nombre es Rosemary, also known as ByRMA on all social media platforms, but you don't gotta remember that because I'll leave that all linked down below for you guys. So today I decided to film this look featuring this month's IPSY GLAM bag and everything that is in it. So if you would love to learn how to create this look and also some of my thoughts on the products that were in this month's IPSY GLAM bag, then keep on watching. This smells like strawberry. So yesterday I received my IPSY bag in the mail. I did go ahead and open it already because I was anxious. Like, who wouldn't be anxious? Like, you know, when you receive a package, you can't wait to open it. It's just a thing, you know? It's like you're waiting so long for that package to get in the mail and then it just arrives. You obviously want to open it as soon as you get it. So this is the bag for the month of February. It's a cute little dusty rose pink bag with the cute little lace top. Obviously is so appropriate for February. So today I'm going to be using everything that's in my IPSY bag, and obviously there's 5 products in there. So let me just show you real quick. The first one is a Jersey Shore Cosmetics Rich Moisturizing Balm, which is this one right here. The second thing is a Luna by Luna highlighter. Next we have an Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, which is IPSY Unzipped, just right here. Let me just swatch it for you. Oh, this is cute. Looks like that. Next is a Pure Fully Charged Mascara, which I haven't opened yet, so... Oh, this is cute. That's what the wand looks like. And lastly, we have the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. And if you didn't know, I did work for IT Cosmetics, so I know that this is amazing. I just don't know if it's my shade, which is a medium tan, but we'll try it today. So in today's video, we're going to be using all of the 5 products that came in the IPSY bag, which are right here. And I'm super excited. To begin, I'm going to be moisturizing my lips with the chapstick that came in the IPSY bag. It has a scent to it. I don't know if I'm a fan of it, but we're just gonna continue. To begin, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. And I'm gonna be applying that all over my T-zone. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I really haven't talked much about this foundation just because I wanted to try it out before I actually gave you guys my opinion. And so far, I am loving it. It is a really full coverage. So for all my full coverage gals, you are going to love this. Just with a damp beauty blender, you're just gonna press it into the skin. Literally, like a pump goes a long way. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye that came in the IPSY bag. I did want to read a little bit of what this product is, and I went in the IPSY site. This product is infused with vitamin C and vitamin K. It has an amino acid rich ingredient for healthy skin, so it treats your dark circles, your redness, and your fine lines. It's full coverage, so a little dab goes a long way. I really hope this is my color. I mean, it helps, but I don't think it brightens up for me. So I'm going to be using another concealer to brighten up my face and brighten up my T-zone. And I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Full Coverage. And I'm just using a concealer brush to apply these products. I'm just adding this where I want to brighten up my face. is obviously the T-zone. And with a damp beauty sponge, go ahead and dab that in and blend. So to set my face, I'm going to be using the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder and using the same damp beauty sponge. I'm going to press that into the skin. To bronze, I'm going to be using the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. So I'm gonna dejar la cara así, and then we're gonna work on eyes, and then we'll finish the face afterwards. So for eyes today, I'm gonna be using the Nubian by Juvia's Place, which looks like this. So I'm gonna be using this shade right here. So that shade is just gonna be used as our transition shade today. So I'm gonna apply that all into the crease. And there's a lot of fallout, so I'm gonna be putting some translucent powder. I'm gonna kind of just build that up a little bit. Next, I'm gonna be picking up this shade right here. I'm gonna switch to a pencil brush so I could really get in there. And I'm just applying that to the outer part of the eye and dragging it inward. It's okay to look crazy in the process of your makeup, because at the end, you're just gonna look fabulous. Picking up a smaller pencil brush, I'm gonna be dipping into the shade right here. And that's just gonna go a little bit below that middle shade that we used. Just right here. Then pick up the other brush and blend it out. And just going back and forth with the bigger pencil brush. Then you just want to pick up the brush that you use the transition shade to blend any harsh edges. I'm just picking up a little bit more of the darker shade and building that up a little bit more. Then with the fluffier brush that we used for the transition shade, blend out any harsh edges. Yes, there's a lot of blending involved. So next I'm going to be cutting the crease, and I'm just going to be using the Bye Bye Under Eye that also came in the IPSY bag. Might as well use it, you know. It's a concealer. It's a little bit lighter. Why not? I'm going to be using an angled IT Cosmetics brush. And you just want to look down and start in the inner part. Drag down. Siempre quieren comenzar con un poquito, no tanto. Y hacerlo por secciones, you know, like just section it out because you don't want to mess it up. And just blend out this edge right here. So with a flat brush, I'm gonna wet it first. I'm gonna be dipping into this one right here, which I don't really have much of. And that's gonna go all over our lid. Scratch that, we're gonna be going into the shade right here. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the shade that's right next to it because it's a little bit darker. And I'm gonna place that more towards the center right here. Then to blend this harsh line right here, I'm gonna be going back into the second brown that we used, if that makes sense, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna press that in the middle part. Let me finish the other eye. Alright, so now that we're done with the shadow, I'm gonna dust off all the translucent powder that I placed underneath my eye. So I'm feeling like I want to do a little extra to this look because why not? So I'm going to be using the NYX Vivid Bright. Hopefully this comes out looking like how I expect it to look. What we're going to do is we're going to place the yellow liner right where the cut crease is. So right. So instead of like white, let's do yellow, why not? So that's it for eyes. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows off camera and my eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my brows and my eyeliner on, I'm gonna be applying mascara. And for that, I'm gonna be using the one that came in the IPSY bag, which is the Fully Charged Mascara by Pure. So I did look up some information on that, and it says why you'll love it. Its super scientific formula is made out of magnets. So it latches to every single lash to strengthen, thicken, and lengthen. Okay, the wand separates and fans out your lashes so they look extra flirty and defined. Okay, so let's try it out. Oh snap, okay. All right, Pure. So they do look pretty good. Okay, I'm impressed. Okay, so this mascara is definitely a yes in my book. So I'm gonna be saving that for later. So moving on to lashes, I'm gonna be using the Icona lashes and the style About Last Night. Also, if you guys want to try these lashes out, I do have a discount code with them, which is ByRMA, and you'll get, I believe it's 5% off or 10% off. Not quite sure, but it will be linked down below for you guys as well. So I'm going to apply those off camera and I'll be right back. What a difference lashes can do, huh? So I'm going to work on the bottom of the eye, and I'm going to be using a small pencil brush, be dipping into this shade right here. I really want to smoke it out. So going back into the transition shade, I'm going to be smoking out the bottom of the eye. Going into the darkest shade. And then I'm just going to grab a little bit of my highlighter and apply that to the inner part of the eye. Okay, so moving on to face, I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face before we apply the highlighter. And I'm gonna be using the Luna highlighter that came in the IPSY bag today. So it looks like this. I think it might be a little too dark for me, but let's just try it out. Ooh, you see that? My sister's gonna love this. It is a little tiny bit too dark, so I'm just gonna add my highlighter, which is the Oh Darling by MAC, just over it. Alright, so for lips, I don't know if it's gonna go with this look, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna be using the IPSY Unzipped from Ofra Cosmetics, which also came in the IPSY bag. It might be a little too pink, but we'll make it work. I've never used an Ofra lipstick, so it's definitely a different formula. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of gloss. It's definitely a good product in my book. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you genuinely liked it and learned some tips and tricks. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up on your way out. And also let me know if you like these type of videos where I'm reviewing some new products that I've never used before, or just in general, if you want to see my thoughts on every month's IPSY Glam bag, then let me know in the comment section down below and I'll try to get those videos out for you. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my family already, make sure you do so. I would love to have you here each and every time. As always, los quiero mucho. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Espérate, porque este pelo como que no. Mami, si me resuro la cabeza, me resuro la cabeza mejor. Porque este pelo no lo entiendo. ¿Qué? Mami, tú sabes que yo nunca he sido normal. Mom is doing frijoles con tortilla, con queso, con crema. You already know. ¿Quiénes son puros indios? ¿Tú? Yeah, yo no soy india. Oh my god. How long does it take you to wash frijoles?